In primetime news this evening.
Nothing we do can pull a bucket of water, drink, so or take off my shirt or my shoes. If you ask people who do it for me.
Victim of triple jump challenge tells his experience. Courting controversy. Prime Minister announces roadworks for Southeast Clarendon ahead of impending by-election. And Delahaye endorsement as PMP targets recapturing Portmore St. Catherine seat. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. So we know the government is hoping to improve competitiveness in the upcoming financial year, but the low interest rate environment is forcing the administration to revisit how it achieves that goal. I'll have the details later on in the business day.
Okay, thanks Vashon. From Vashon we go to Jordan Ford. He'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, one national cricketer is counting his lucky stars today as he walked away from a motor vehicle crash with minor injuries. He's now at home recuperating. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, what steps have you taken to prevent your child from participating in the tripping jump challenge?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.